Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse. So you just go down, you click here on library down here, just click on it. When you click on library, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come to play screen, click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's me play screen disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.